Type your text. Increase the tracking to create some more space between the letters. Open the Pathfinder. Click on the striped icon and select Make Compound Shape. Open the Appearance panel and select the fill. Click on the FX icon. Distort and transform. Transform. Move 15 pixels horizontally. And move 10 pixels vertically. Make one copy. Click on the FX icon. Pathfinder. Subtract. Place the transform effect above subtract. You can change the fill color to adjust the color of the effect. You can edit the text while keeping the effect. And that's how you create this text effect.